Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. This video, I'll be showing you Ladder App Honest Review. So, the Ladder app here is a fitness and workout application designed mainly for strength training and guided exercise programs. It works by letting someone choose a coach or training style and then delivering structured workouts each week that build on one another. Now, the idea behind the app is consistency and progression, with clear video demonstrations, coaching cues during workouts, and tracking for reps and weights. Now, it's positioned as a premium fitness app rather than a casual workout tracker. Now, it's mostly known among people who want structured gym or home strength routines. Now, looking at whether it's worth it or raises any concern, well, the first place to check is going to be Scam Advisor. Now, based on Scam Advisor here, there are no risk warnings or negative trust indicators linked to the official Ladder Fitness app or its main website. Now, join ladder.com. When a service shows no scam alerts, that usually means there haven't been reports of phishing, fraudulent activity, or deceptive behavior tied to the platform. That's an important baseline check here, and in this case, nothing concerning actually stands out. In fact, it's tagged as very likely safe. Now, when checking Trustpilot, well, there are currently no dedicated Trustpilot reviews specifically for the Ladder Fitness app. Now, most Trustpilot entries under the name Ladder refer to unrelated services, but then again, as you can see, the profile is at least claimed. That's a good thing, but the only missing here is reviews for the actual app or platform. Now, feedback through community discussions here, especially on Reddit, shows mixed but generally realistic opinions. Now, based on user discussions, some people say the workouts are well structured, motivating, and helpful for staying consistent, especially for strength training. Others mention that the values depend heavily on personal preference, with some feeling the subscription price is high compared to other fitness apps offering similar routines. Now, these comments are typical for fitness apps and reflect personal experience rather than reports of misconduct or misleading practices. Now, overall, based on what we're seeing here, well, the app and the actual platform is real. So if you do visit App Store here, you'll able to see the app here, and currently it holds like a 4.9 average rating on the App Store here, which is again a good thing here because most of the people are actually enjoying the app. But then again, outside platforms like the App Store here, the comments on it is kind of mixed. So some people like it, some not, and some are still skeptical. Now, the main thing that we could say here, the app does exist and people are actually using it. And the main concerns discussed online are about pricing and whether the coaching style fits individual goals, not about legitimacy or safety. So then again, if you're wondering is it actually right for you, well, it depends on your preferences. So it may be good for some, but not for everyone. But that's about it. So, if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.